In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Parcel panel shipment tracking for Shopify. To begin, open your Shopify admin and go to the Settings area. From there, click on Apps so you can access the tools connected to your store. Once you are in the Apps section, open the Parcel panel app. This is where you will set up your tracking experience so customers can easily follow their shipments. Inside Parcel panel, you will want to make sure your tracking page is easy for customers to find. To do that, go to your store navigation and choose the menu where you want the tracking link to appear. In most cases, this will be the main menu, but you can also use the footer if that fits your store layout better. After selecting the menu, click Add Menu Item. For the menu item name, enter Track Your Order. This gives customers a clear and familiar label to click on when they want to check delivery progress. In the link field, paste the tracking page URL from Parcel panel. This connects the menu item directly to your tracking page, so customers can access shipment updates without needing to contact support. Next, return to the Parcel panel app and go to Settings, then Notifications. Here, enable the automated shipping emails. This is an important part of the setup because it allows customers to receive tracking-related updates automatically. Keeping these notifications active can improve the post-purchase experience and reduce the number of order status questions your store receives. After that, stay in the app settings and select the Tailored for Shopify option. Then enable Send Shipping Tracking Events to Shopify. This setting sends tracking updates back into your native Shopify orders. In practical terms, that means your Shopify order information stays more complete and aligned with the shipment activity coming from Parcel panel. It is a useful step for keeping order data organized and consistent across your store. Once everything is configured, click Save to apply the changes. It is always a good idea to double-check that the new menu link appears correctly on your storefront and that the tracking page opens as expected. You may also want to verify that notification settings are turned on and properly reflected in the app. With that done, your Parcel panel shipment tracking setup for Shopify is in place and ready to use. That covers everything you need to know.